Hello everyone, welcome to Digitron Solution. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate the working demo of a project that is fabric fault detection, that is detection of faults in a fabric using texture analysis and Gabor filters. The project is implemented in MATLAB. So without wasting much time, let's see the working demo of the project so that you will get a clear idea. So I'll go in the MATLAB. I'm using MATLAB 2015. I'll run the main interface. The project has an interface also. So this is the basic interface of the MATLAB. Now, before running the project, I want to tell you certain basic things like, just a minute, I'll first show you the database. Now, these are the fabric images what I have considered. These are which I had got from the internet, from Google source. So I'll be using these fabrics for detecting whether the fabric has a fault or no. Okay, so based on the fabrics, your parameter settings will change, like fabric texture cycles might change, segmentation threshold might change, or segmentation processing threshold might change. So you can vary these values based on your fabric and you might get the accurate result. So currently for this particular fabrics texture, these parameters are working perfectly. So let's see the working. So you can, if you purchase this project, you can change this texture cycle for your set of images and you might get a correct output. So I'll say browse, I'll select some fabric image. Now I'll say get some initial parameters. So these parameters will be fetched into the code. After that I'll say perform downsampling. You can see downsampling of the image has been done. Then I'll say perform bilinear interpolation, that is also done. Perform variance based downsampling, that is also done. Then perform binarization, you can see the binarized image. Then say fill holes, so if there are any gaps, those will be filled up. And then remove smaller components. There are no smaller components for this image, so nothing will be removed. Then I'll say detect the defect. Yes, the defect has been detected in this particular fabric. Now I'll say I'll browse some other image. Let's go with this image. I'll say get initial parameters, perform mean downsampling, perform bilinear interpolation, perform variance downsampling, perform OSTUs, binarization, fill the holes, remove smaller components and detect. You can see even if in the fabric it was not been seen, but yet the defect has been detected. So this is how the project is been implemented. I hope you understood the working demo. If you are interested in the project, you can go in the description section of this YouTube video and get more details or buy the project. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.